So we're here this morning eating breakfast at this lovely place. And there's my eating partner. Hi, here.
Good morning.
Most mornings we have to just have peanut butter and jelly, a little bit of orange juice, an apple, and then we've learned that put your trash in here, which is just crazy. But this is nice. We got a nice view this morning. So tired, but today's the day.
Today's the day. It comes back to Rudy's house.
That's right. This is the day. We're going out to see the mating of the Hebmüller. Are you excited? When I'm excited.
So excited.
Have you ever seen a body put on the chassis before? Why would you?
No.
Yes.
Nobody's agreed to see it.
Yeah, never. Of course he's already here because he's Rudy.
Rudy's here.
Rudy's here. Already here. Good morning, Mr. Rudy.
Good morning.
Are you ready to put a Heb on a chassis today?
Yes, let's go to the
Let's
party.
do it. I'm so excited. All right. Okay, so we're here at the Jones. I can't say the name, but it's a really cool little barn, and I've got car here, car there. Everywhere is cars, but our car, Wynn's got the other camera. We're excited about this. We're gonna see the first time that the primed body is gonna go on the chassis, and then of course back in the States we're gonna take it off again and remate them again. But this is the first European wedding when the chassis is finished and the body's finished. Let's take a look at the chassis. It's really exciting. I'm gonna show you some cool stuff. I think you're gonna like it. So Rudy, I'm looking at this chassis and I remember what you told me. This is what Volkswagen sent to, let me make sure I get this right. This is what was sent to Hebmüller from Volkswagen in 1950s-ish. Yes. And then Hebmüller built on top of the rolling chassis. Yes. When you say rolling chassis, we're talking about this.
Yeah, this rolling chassis.
Wow, so great. And so far, just by looking at this, knowing very little, I can see you put brand new floor pans in.
Yeah, the new floor
So
pans.
it's beautiful, right?
Yeah.
And then you also must have refinished the center tunnel also, right?
Yeah.
Because that looks great. How much, I mean, just to prep the chassis, it takes a lot of time and effort and make sure, oh, we talked about cable brakes, right?
Cable brakes, yes.
Yeah, so this is cable brake chassis.
You can see it over here. This is the difference between hydraulic brakes, is these points, because this is the cable.
Okay.
And they were operated from here. If you push the lever, then here is a pin and it just tears out 4 cable brakes. And hydraulic brakes, you don't have these cables. So that's,
I see.
on the outside, that's the only way to see the difference.
Yeah. I really like the boots on the back of the transmission. It's very cool. These are not.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, I've never seen that like that before.
Huh?
No.
Okay, this is normally how Volkswagen also used if they repaired it on the gearbox when they are leaking. When they were out of the factory, they would be without a seam.
Okay.
But some people want them, but that is very hard to fix.
And
later, so now we use these. And this also was done in '52 with Volkswagen.
Cool.
The modification.
And this transmission is much different than the one that I have in my 75 in the States, right?
Yes,
it's quite different.
Yes, it's quite different.
What's the biggest difference?
Well, this is from an oval, so it's non-synchronized gearbox.
Non-synchronized, okay.
And it makes it easy. It's only the first gear, so this is much easier to handle. So this is a gearbox from '56, so you can drive it easily wherever you go. And the all original ones, they call the jack box. It's a non-synchro gearbox.
Oh, okay. Wow, it's beautiful. I think you could just eat on the chassis.
Yes, you can, but now we have to dust it again. But
awesome. Well, I'm gonna set the camera up and let's. Oh wait, we haven't even looked at the main thing yet. We should
part of
the part that nobody sees. This part here. Wow, here it is. Oh wow! There you go.
now some things are hidden and some things
Are visible,
are
yeah.
more visible.
It's crazy. Okay.
But you have to keep the original spot wells in there so you can see them.
Mm-hmm.
That's nice. Like this is original, so if you make it too smooth, you're not able to see it.
Oh, okay. So if you were at a Hebmüller show and you were looking at someone's car, you want to be able to see these things. Yeah. So I would have thought someone would put undercoating and miss it, but if you say that part of the value of having a Hebmüller is being able to see these spot welds, that's good to know.
That's
right?
why he did like 5,000 spot welds, not to hide them, you know.
Right. Well, I don't know. That's
That's why we
but this here,
It's a little bit of rust damage, so you really have to.
you do razor blade, very thin body filler, and
exactly.
you paint it.
It's not a body filler; it's like more of aluminum. It's
Okay.
like, it's not thin, but a thin replacement. So, but that's also the very last stage. Then they're gonna block it down to really glass finish, and then put some.
Exactly. That's the general idea. That's all was for me the big question. Shall I make it two-tone or only because I saw mine only red before he started sanding it down for the ivory color.
Yeah.
And then I said, only red with a black top.
Yeah, it's pretty slick.
That's pretty slick. Yeah,
And you close your eyes at night and you see red.
Yes,
It's dark candy
yes.
apple red. It's
And the guy I bought it from, he painted it only red, and then I brought it and he saw my car and he said, beautiful car, but it should be only red. Because that was his dream, and he built it for him only red.
And
And maybe some rust prevention in the heated channels the way they want it, and
inside, yeah.
inside.
Mm-hmm.
And
The wax coating.
wax coat.
Yeah, they put it's almost like an oil looking.
Exactly. Yeah.
I would do that at the same time, and when you do the body, then they can say, okay, we do it all at once.
Yeah.
It's better.
This is great. I have a question. The split dashboard here, is this from is this an insert that we?
No, this is all original.
It's original from the 50.
The whole front is original.
Oh yeah.
Like these welds, this has never been changed. This is all.
Oh, this is all Hebmüller.
This is all Hebmüller.
Oh, I thought this was a donor. This is
No.
It's Hebmüller
It's
dash.
all split dash, all complete. This has never been apart. This is
Right.
all original.
Wow.
You can see all the original split.
Yeah. It's pretty fun stuff, guys.
It is.
Great. Are you ready to have a wedding? A little wedding?
Yes, let's go.
All right, let's do it, guys.
Okay.
So what do I have to do first? You're telling me all these things.
You will lift it up here, it's on the side, and you wait for him.
Yeah. And you have to take care that his spot is in line with the spot on the chest.
Easy.
Those two.
I have Rudy with me. What can happen? You've done this before.
Okay, so wait. And the main thing now is because of the two of us, so we have to lift together.
Together.
Say, alright.
Team.
1, 2.
Doe zakken.
How did I do?
Perfect.
Spot on.
Awesome, Rudy. Really good. Really great. So good. Yeah.
Doe achter nog eentje naar dan zo'n dit.
What are you doing?
Putting the first bolts in, so we don't.
Thank you.
Safe to go on the trailer.
It is heavier than your wallet. Wow. Fun stuff.
Sit in it.
Yeah, dude. Can we go for a ride now? We can do it right. Nice. I can feel the wind in my hair, but I don't have any hair. Hooray! Hooray! Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Perfection. No winch needed.
Alright. All full weight.
not quite what we thought, but we thought maybe, hey Rudy, I think maybe the Hebmüller's not ready yet. I feel like it sits a little low.
Oh, this is the prototype of a lowrider.
Oh, okay, yeah. Da-na-na-na-na-na. So yeah, so we're trying to figure out what went wrong. We have this amazing car, but now we're sitting a little low. But you think it's okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna ride real low. All right, yeah, and then we just kind of lean back. Is that right? And then we just take it like this. Oh, I have to go this way. Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Just like this.
Clark Gable.
Perfect, yeah, with the wind in my hair. That's exactly right. You want to drive? Here, you can drive now.
Yes, now we have a ride.
Now I can sleep while we go, like this. Okay, good night. Wake up when we get back to California, Los Angeles, or wherever we're going.